Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 19. And today's topic is assignment 1. My dear student, you have already know our third week assignment is given, okay, which is math. So my dear student, today we shall discuss about our today's assignment topics, okay. So let us start. Chapter 1, and name of the chapter is patterns, okay. We have already learned this chapter, okay, and we have taken a lot of classes on the basis of this chapter, and we have already solved a lot of CBQ problems, okay. My dear student, please notice this question, assignment 1, okay. Here figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, three figures are given. The above formed geometric figures with line segments of equal length is a pattern. That means the figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, these three geometrical figures maintain a pattern, okay. Now by using this figure we shall solve question number A, B and C. Question number A is from the form the fourth pattern. That means figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, just like this one we shall draw the figure 4, that means fourth pattern, and find out the number of line segments, okay. B number question, which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern? Present it with logic. Determine how many line segments will be required to form the first 20 patterns of the pattern. My dear student, this question is similar as question number 4 of page number 8 of this chapter. My dear student, example 4 of page number 8 is similar is this one, okay. So you can follow this figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. The above geometric figures are formed with sticks with equal length from the fourth pattern, and find out the number of lines which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern. Present it with logic. C number, find how many lines will be required to form the first 50 patterns and patterns of the pattern. My dear student, similar as here the figure is changed and the number is changed, okay. You can follow the procedure, okay. So now I discuss question number A, B and C, how you solve this math. Question number A is form the fourth pattern and find out the number of line segment. My dear student, notice here figure 1, here figure 2, here figure 3. Just like this we shall draw figure 4. Here you notice the above formed geometric figures with line segment of equal length. For line segment of equal lengths, dear student, that means it must be a square shape or a rhombus shape, okay. So please notice all the sides will be equal. So the first figure is this. If this side is 5 centimeter, it will be 5, that will be 5 and that will be also 5. This is first figure. Second figure, how can we draw second figure? Notice, at first we draw on a square, then draw another square equal to the previous one, okay. Then we draw another figure just like this one, okay. Okay, so all the sides are equal here, all the sides are equal here. Make sure all the sides are equal here. This is figure number 2. And figure number 3 is what? First of all we draw figure, okay, So my dear students, this is the first one, then we draw this one, similar one we shall draw another one. This is second figure, okay, and all the sides are equal here, okay. Okay dear students, now notice we draw another one. All the sides are equal, and here we draw another one equal to the previous one, okay. So notice this is figure 3, just like this one you shall draw the fourth figure, but I don't draw this fourth figure, you have to draw that, okay. So the second part of the question A, find out the number of line segment. My dear student, in figure 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. In figure 1, there are how many line segment? There are 4 line segment. In figure 2, how many line segment? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, in figure 2, there are how many line segment? There are 10 line segment. In figure 3, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, there are 16 line segments. So, after drawing the fourth figure, then you shall count how many line segments are there in the fourth figure and you write that amount. I hope you have understood how to solve question number A. Next, we shall solve question number B, which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern and present it with logic. My dear student, we have already find fourth figure. 3 figures are given, and in question number A, we have already drawn another figure. That means fourth figure and B. In figure 1, we shall find 4 line segment. In figure 2, we shall find 10 line segments. In figure 3, we shall find 16 line segments. Okay. So, notice 4, 10, 16. The basic difference of these 3 numbers is 6. That means when we go to the first figure to second figure, then 6 line segment is increased. When we go to the third figure from fourth figure, then another 6 line segment will be increased. So, notice if I write this number 6 minus 2, then 6 multiply 1 minus 2, right? Okay, then 10, we write this 12 minus 2, that means 6 multiply by 2 minus 2. 16, we write this 18 minus 2, that means 6 multiply by 3 minus 2, and from fourth figure you write the amount. After that you write in this way. My dear student, notice here 6 is fixed, 6 is fixed, 2 is fixed, and the 1, 2, 3 it is changeable. So we express this 1, 2, 3 as a variable, and finally we get an algebraic expression. I hope you have understood. Similar as example 4 of page number 8. Okay, you follow that question, then you can easily solve the math. Okay, so question number B is done. Next we shall solve question number C. Determine how many line segments will be required to form the first 20 patterns of the patterns. My dear student, in order to solve this math, at first we need to know in 20 patterns how many line segments. To find out the line segment of the 20 pattern, you need to the formula that of algebraic expression, which we have already found in question number B. Okay, in that figure we put the value of variable. If the variable is n, then you put the value of n equal to 20. After that you get a required number of line segment. Okay, so suppose please notice, suppose if that number is 110, then the first figure contains 4, second figure contains 10, third figure contains 16 plus dot dot. Fourth figure contains, you must write here fourth figure, and then dot 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 dot. So now we find out the summation of this series. We know already the formula, sum equal to first term plus last term multiply by number of terms divided by 2. Put the value of first term, put the value of last term, and number of term is 20, which is given. So we put the value, and by calculating we get the answer. I hope you have understood. My dear student, I know you have already learned how to write assignment. But make sure you must make your assignment neat and clean, okay, and you must fill up your cover page according to the rules. So my dear student, you must solve this math very clearly with keep patience, okay. When you do your assignment, please keep patience, don't be hurry up, okay. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and you must submit your assignment in our school campus, okay. Your submission date will be declared soon. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.